Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to do today to attract more money into your life? And the World card came through, and it's all about opening your arms to receive. Yeah, so really opening that heart chakra to receive the blessings that the universe wants to shower upon you and just life in general, okay? There's a world of opportunity for you. You have the world at your feet. You have choices about how you want to be in relation to money. Like, what do you want to experience with money? It's your world, right? This is your reality, okay? And you're creating it. So ask yourself today, how much money would I like to make today? $100, $1,000, $1 million. I don't know, whatever it is. What do you want to create? The world is at your feet. You can create whatever reality you want with money. So today, what you need to do is open your arms to receive, let the universe shower money upon you, and get clear on what it is that you want. Like, how much money do you want to make? So let me know in the comments, how much money do you want to make today? Let's declare it out to the universe. Let's open our arms to receive. So you would write it like this in the comments. I received $1,000 today. Something like that. Whatever it is that your amount. I received $100. I received $50. Whatever it is, okay? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the readings, give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And just declare it today. How much do you want to make? Let's play. Let's have fun. That's what this life's about. Having fun and being creative. See ya.